Welcome to the future, presenting SpaceX X-37b. Imagine a vehicle that combines the best of spacecraft and aircraft technology. That's the X-37b. Within its compact design, this spacecraft packs a punch. Its responsive controls and robust construction are unparalleled. In space, efficiency is crucial. The X-37b's solar panel and lithium-ion battery system ensure long-lasting operations even in the harshest conditions. Security is a priority. The X-37b has advanced autonomous re-entry and landing capabilities, making it a reliable choice for critical missions. Join SpaceX in pushing the boundaries of space travel. The X-37b is redefining what it means to explore the final frontier. SpaceX X-37b, this is not just a spacecraft. It is a symbol of innovation and the dawn of a new space age.